I'm lead capture page and complete funnel tutorial. You got Corey Neese here, also known as Coach Corey 3. Now I'm going to briefly explain to you what sales funnels are, how to leverage these lead funnels to help grow your I'm Mastery Academy business. Okay, so what you're looking at is an I'm lead capture page. It says discover how to trade and invest in the markets, support and coaching included. That's very simple and straightforward. All you got to do is send this link, your website, over to your prospects that are interested in learning more about I'm Academy. And you want to do this before you send them to the sign up page or the join now button, because that way when they enter in their email address right here, when they enter in their email address, that will be stored in your account and you'll be able to send out automatic emails and follow up better. Okay, and that's explained on the board behind me. So now I'm going to zoom in and blow the screen up here and explain to you about the first box here, which is the lead capture page, which is what I just showed you. So you send that to your prospects to collect leads. Then the leads go to an email list. They're stored inside an email list that automatically sends out automated emails. And the last step is the sales presentation. So the sales presentation will be a custom page that you put your company information on and then a buy now button below. Usually that's how it works. You can customize it any way you want. But the main thing is send people through to a lead capture page first. That way their contact information is stored inside your back office here under the contact manager. So then again, they'll get automatic emails prompting them to click and check out your video again, which is going to give you better exposure, better results, because if they just go to your website like this, your company replicated website, and they don't put in their information, you have no way to follow up. There's no way to send them back to the page over and over again, and that's what you have to do to succeed. The fortune is in the follow-up. That's the key to success in network marketing sales, is the fortune is in the follow-up. So you want to use a system that's automatically following up for you, all right? So here's the page, and another beautiful thing is to use this website, so easy. All you got to do is copy the code into your account with the 7-day free trial. Copy and paste your code into my sharing codes, okay? And if you have a question on that, you can reach out to me over on Twitter. Username is @CoachCorey3, and I will help you personally set up your account, get you started and logged in. But again, you can use this exact same website. All you got to do is copy and paste the code below the video in the description into your account, and it will populate your website for you. Now, after you do that, if there's anything you don't like, if you want to change something, if you want to change the color, the font, the background, you can do that, all right? You can change the font up, you can change the size, you can make it look however you want. You can make this a different color here on the timer. Maybe I want to make it yellow. Maybe I want to make this, maybe leave that the same. I don't know. It's up to you. Then you click save. All right. Click view. Let's go back and let's click refresh. Here's our domain name. I'm lead capture. There you go. So if you like that look, you can do it. You can make it look however you want. It's your system. You can use it however you want. You can put in a different background as well. Now, to get this system, this website, you just got to fill out the details here. The link's below, 7-day free trial. And then you want to log in to mycompanyadmin.com. And that's where you can access your websites today. Now, if this is all too confusing and hard to follow, I understand. We have a free website resource. It's called the Free Lead System. You can enter your email to check that out. That will go through step by step, just kind of explaining how these sales funnels work at a lower level if you're not quite ready to dive into the 7-day free trial. You can check out the Free Lead System below. But then I would start marketing your website, whatever you decide, over on Twitter, and start searching people that would be interested in trading market or Forex or maybe stocks, or people following Robert Kiyosaki or Grant Cardone, people like that. Those people will be more interested in business, investing, and all that kind of stuff. So when you talk to the people, then send them back over to your website, to your lead capture site, like I'm doing. That's how you can collect leads. Click the links below now. I look forward to seeing you on the inside, my friend. And reach out to me on Twitter if you have any questions at all. I'm here to help.